Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Now let's get back to the video. First add 3 parts. Then get 2 of the parts and make them 1 by 1 by 1 squares. Also make sure these 2 parts are anchored and can collide is turned off. These 2 will be where your platform moves to and from. Make their transparency 1. You may customize the middle part however you like, but make sure it is anchored and is not touching the ground. Rename your invisible parts to part 1 or part 2. Then add a script into the middle part, and then type this. These lines will be the variables for the parts. And these lines are creating a new item called the body position in the platform, which makes the platform move. Lastly, these lines will make the platform move from each of the parts. Now let's click play and see if it works. It is working perfectly. The part might tip over and rotate if it is too small.